challenge 5 base. Let's see what needs to happen. All right, we're going to attack. There are a couple of things that do damage to us. I've learned some tricks along the way, and first thing I do, got to get your chopper. Basically, the chopper just has to take out all the things that will kill it. We got to get rid of. But really, the reason that we have the chopper in here is you want to kill, see these vehicles here? These vehicles here will destroy your ground troops. So we're just getting rid of whatever we can get rid of. But we're not going to get rid of them yet. First thing we got to get rid of is the stuff that will damage the air. All these little piddly guys here, they won't shoot you. So we're just shooting the stuff that will kill our air. We can, if this guy fires, we attack him immediately because he'll really do us damage. If he doesn't fire, we're okay. Okay, there, he fired. So go after him immediately. Anything that shoots you, you want to kill. Now we got to clean out this one over here. You're going to take some damage, but there's nothing we can do about it. Get rid of this and this because they continue to produce. All right. Now all we're going to do is just going to take out the stuff that's shooting the air. All the ground stuff, we'll take care of that later. Anything that shoots you, you want to kill it. You can go slowly and try to do this base, which I did the first time. If you do that, you will run out of time. So you got to kind of keep moving. No piddling around. Keep going. Now, what you want to do is, more than anything else with the air, kill this stuff, because these things will do a lot of damage to your ground troops. So get rid of every one of them. But they won't shoot your air, so you don't need to be in a hurry. Anything that shoots your air, like this guy will shoot us. So we got to kill him. Kill him first, then you kill these guys. And guess what? I forgot to turn on electric. All right, I'll be fine. Get down there. Don't worry about all those guys. They won't do anything to you. Kill the stuff that's going to hurt your tunes. When you bring in the other, get rid of this guy. All these little soldiers, though, ignore them. Obviously, your chopper wants to kill them. These are I don't know what these things are called. There's a new thing. But they throw electric bolts, and they do a lot of damage to your ground tunes. So anything that's going to damage your ground tunes, take it out. All right, we're good. Okay, take out these two. Flak will do you damage. I don't know what these guys are called, but they shoot air. Get rid of them. And then once you get rid of them, you got all the time in the world to get rid of these guys. Those guys will do a lot of damage to your ground. So you get rid of them after you get rid of what shoots your air. I get about 45 minutes of damage with my chopper, but you know what? That's very minor. You get a lot of prestige that's new with this event, and you get a lot of XP. You get about 1.2 million XP from the event, so it's well worth it. And your chopper has so much health that it never dies. Just whenever you take a break, just let it get better while you're gone. I've been doing it for 3 days now, and my chopper has never died. I just let it, when I'm not online, I just let it heal. It heals fine. Doesn't get that much damage. These guys here, ignore them. They're not important. These guys here will shoot you air, so kill them. That's all we're doing, just going around and killing. The stuff is going to kill us. And we're killing this stuff that's going to kill our ground tunes. But the ground tunes can wait till after you kill the air. All right, let's get rid of these guys. And we're going to kill these two guys. The only reason we do it is so that my troops don't have to run as far and I can get done faster. I don't run out of time. They're okay. All right, let's kill these guys. These guys in the front don't shoot air. These guys in the back do. So you're just killing what kills us. Now, kill these guys, because they are dangerous to your ground. We're almost done with air. Then we're going to bring in ground, then we're done. Get this guy here. We're just going to kill these two guys, and we're going to bring in ground, killing the rest out. You don't need to kill them, but they will tell you to kill them. Kill him and kill him. Kill him. He's a pain in the butt, making it difficult. All right, get out. Now we're going to bring in the ground troops, clear the rest. We got 6 minutes. We got lots of time. When I get done with the video, I'll show you what I have in this tune. I have Nick, I have Darkstorm, I have Adam, I have a couple of Devouts, I have 4 of the new Absolvers, or whatever they're called, whatever they call them. That's it, we're almost done. Got this and them, and that's it. That's it. Still had 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes, almost 5 minutes. And you get prestige. All right. And you get halfway full. So if you do 2 5s, it fills it up. And you'll end up getting 1,000,002 XP. So these guys are headed home. I'll show you. They get very little damage. So you can see I've done about 5 bases. So with about 5 bases, I got an hour and a half. So he was damaged when we started. So, but I could play with him all day, and he would still last. He never dies. All right, 2 minutes and 23 seconds. That's it. So this tune, Dark Storm, Adam, 4 Devoutes, 4 Absolvers, and Nick. All right, now go do it.